Hey, what's up, MK? What's up? What's up?
Hey, what you been up to?
Hey, man, hey, I ran across your little thing on Facebook about fixing your credit and getting some extra money. I'm feeling that right there. What you think about that? Did you see it?
Hey, what you gonna have to do though?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna probably take a little bit of time. You know, I got a lot going on and stuff. You know, I'm all over the place and stuff. You know, just trying to. But I don't know. What you think?
Yeah, time be short. We have so much going on. I'm
Yeah.
asking, did you catch that Netflix show I was telling you about?
I did, girl. Yeah, about 6, 7 episodes, man. Had me up all night, almost 2 days, man. Ooh, man, it was good though. Yep.
But when it's something good like that, you pay up for the business, like you know.
You can
Yeah. But yeah, you got to have time to do a business like that. You know,
you do.
especially if you trying to promote yourself and everything.
Yeah.
I mean, didn't I see y'all at the Iron Bowl last Saturday?
Girl, roll tide. Girl, we went down there and whooped them tigers. Yeah, they weren't ready for us, man. We killed it. We Cadillac them. Yeah, it was fire. We had a great time. Yeah,
How long it took y'all to drive down there?
The traffic was bad. It took about 2 or 3 hours. It was raining a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It took us a couple of hours. Yeah. To get there.
Yeah, pretty much all day.
Yeah, pretty much all day, man. Ooh, man, it was rough though. It's a lot of time. We took a lot of time to get down
you
there.
know what? That ain't but once a year. That's just once a year. If you got a business, you gotta be consistent with that stuff. And I know you don't be having a bunch of free time for no nonsense. You know what? I meant to tell you. Nice that she saw you and Tyler doing that father-daughter TikTok thing. See y'all had it down perfect.
Oh man, we killed it. We killed it. We only took about 8, 10 takes. You know, we was up all night, man. You know, we would had to stretch that thing out. You know, get right. And we only took about 8, 9, 10 hours, something like that.
Oh, y'all did that, but you know, if you had to do something for the credit thing, you think you can do that?
Gonna be tight, you know, being busy and stuff, you know, all the stuff I got going on, you know.
Man, you better think hard about that thing, because you ain't got a lot of free time. I mean, you're going to games, you're doing TikToks, you binge watching stuff, and but did any of that stuff help your credit?
No, it really didn't. Not at all.
Well, I don't know. You might want to call.
Yeah, like right now.